Uh, Here I want to show you something. Here we have our elevator. Okay, this is storage area. As you see, we have elevator room here, and we have split unit here. In the electrical room we have split unit. As you see, this one split unit, and this is the controller for it, the thermostat. But the problem now in drain. Now we have electrical room, okay, and outside we have corridor and storage areas. So we have problem in drain. So there is one solution here, is that the drain is connected to here pump. As you see here, this is pump, okay, and there is hose here. If you go up here, there is hose. This hose is going like here. As you see, this is our hose. Here is connected to the drain, if you see. So this is a solution for this unit. As you see here, this drain is continue here and go to the riser. Here we have riser here. Behind this one we have riser. It's connected the drain for the cassette units. As you see here, we have VRF indoor unit, cassette unit for Samsung, and this is the drain is connected. And here is what I'm talking about, is our split units, and the solution, it was like connecting pump, this pump with like tank down here. It takes the water and throw it outside to the drain. This is the solution for the split unit in near the electrical room, in the electrical room, and also if there is no drain is near. But this solution is good here because now this is area that I cannot drain in it. This is solution.